Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Fashion Girly Hacks. How are you? I hope you are fine and doing well. With good health and very happiness. And this is me Asya, and today I will show you in this video so stylish and very attractive ideas of low maintenance bob haircut. With beautiful hair dye, trendy and stylish hairstyling, and many much more variety of low maintenance bob haircut for girls and women you see in this video. I hope you like it. Very beautiful and attractive collection of short hair for girls and women you see in this video. So I suggest and I request please you watch this video till end. I hope you like it. Different ideas of low maintenance haircut in bob you see in this video. Some ideas layered, and mostly ideas in step. Very beautiful collection of hair dye. So beautiful collection of blonde hair color. Light blonde, dark blonde. Very beautiful collection of honey blonde hair dye. Some ideas with dark base color. Light brown and dark brown base color with blonde hair dye. Some ideas in streaks, highlights. And some collection in grey color. Other shades of dye, burgundy color, black color, light brown, dark brown, ash color, and so beautiful stylish ideas of hairstyling. And these ideas are trendy 2023 and latest most demanding collection of styling in short hair you see in this video. I hope you like it. If you like it, so try this. And if you try it, I hope you look so nice, very sweet and very stylish. I hope you must try it. If you're new on my channel, I request you please do subscribe my channel. Like my video, share my video with your friends, your family members and others. And please fully support me, support my channel. My channel can't grow without your support, your help, so I hope you do this. And share it your all over social media accounts. If you're new or any other thing on my channel, please share your ideas with me. I will become with new trends according to your ideas, so you must share with me. I will wait. So friend, thank you so much. You're watching my video. Take care and bye bye.